Hi everyone, welcome back. How are you all doing? So, this is a new journey for me, and I'm really excited to share about this. And yeah, I just woke up. I'm just getting ready to make a tea, and then I'll start my workout because it's my day off. And then I'll tell you what I am planning to do, and then what my day looks like, and then what's my coming vlogs and everything looks like, because I've planned everything by now and so that I can be more active. So here we are. So I'm just gonna make a tea for myself first. Okay, so having this peppermint tea. So peppermint, so every time it's basically every day. Whenever I wake up in the morning, first thing I do is I brew the tea. So I brew the tea and then basically do my workout, either go for a run or do exercises and do yoga and do cycling. So, and I let my tea brew while I am doing all the stuff. Yeah, so basically what's happening is I am entering into a very new schedule, which is very exciting, which I have waited for like not whole life, but something that I always wanted to do when I was a kid, and I always dreamt of experiencing that, and then finally it's happening. You know, if you have a dream or if you want to achieve something or do something in your life, never ever give up. It's the fact, never ever give up, because it's more like manifesting. I like to manifest things when I want to achieve something. For example, if I want a job, I think about it, I think about it, I send the positive thought and then try to work towards it. But I don't just sit there and manifest and hope that comes. So yeah, basically I really admire or I'm really grateful towards the word manifestation, because it is something that which encouraged me to do it very often, which encouraged me to think about it and then share it with people. Because when we think about positive thing, optimism, or like being more grateful and stuff, good things always come back to you. So yeah, never ever give up if you have anything or if you're looking forward to do anything in your life. All right, so basically, well, I'm saying a lot of words, like basically. Okay, so I am on my balcony. It's dark, so I'll just let my tea brew here, and then I also want to show you some cute things in my room. See, so this is a meditation. It says life lies in movement. And that's a very, well, not antique. It looks like one of the antique trees, you know, Asian trees. And this is another yoga thing that I liked. And I'm trying to collect this kind of stuff, but I barely get it. And that's the timer, like the little one. And this is my room. Alright, so I am going to do the cycling at the moment, and then once I finish cycling, I'll do some exercises and I'll talk to you more about my plans and whatever I'm planning and moving forward to show you and share with you all. And it's going to be a very long journey, and I am really excited and very so I'm very excited to share it with you all, like live videos, not live, but you know, like kind of my diary, digital diary, so that those people who are out there who are trying to achieve something, but sometimes we reach to a point where we get so tired, we get exhausted, fed up, and then we give up. So instead of giving up, literally keep up your hope and just stick with it. The time will come. So I know I'm trying to, like, not trying to, I'm making you excited about what I'm going to share and what's the journey is about, but it's worth to wait. So yeah, I'll talk to you very soon. So the best thing for me to do is to wake up in the morning and then follow my yoga and exercise, like running and cycling. Especially meditation is the best thing that I've ever experienced. So meditation, you don't have to like focus on a particular thing. You can just reflect about your work, about how you feel, and how you express yourself. It's more like connecting within, connecting to yourself. It's not just focusing on a particular thing and then being there physically but mentally wandering somewhere else. So whenever I do exercise, it's just a happiness for me, especially yoga. It's the happiness, like the happiest happiness for me ever in my life. And I think that's one thing that I would ever carry in my heart. And along with me, it was a journey that I started to choose, and also a journey that sticks with me, sticks around me, and wherever I go, I can always say that. So yoga is such a happy thing which motivates me to do a lot of other things and inspire me to encourage other people to look after their health, and also encourage me to empower people to take care of their health. And it's not just for me, it's basically like when I have a good feeling, or if I am in a positive zone, if I have something good to share, I can share that to the people around me. Same like you, if you are in a good mood, or if you are doing something nice and the people around you could feel your vibe, they could feel your presence, they could feel your acknowledgement, inspiration. And it's always something about everything. It's just not about you, it's about everything around you, which just makes you feel better. It just makes you feel more vulnerable and acknowledged, and being more grateful in every step of my life. So yeah, yoga is always the part of my life, and plus fitness became very, very important in my life. So I always prioritize health, and which includes mental, psychological, emotional, and physical. Eventually, it's the body that it stays with us in entire life. So